Hello students, welcome to online lecture of M.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. In Math second, we had started topic number first, differentiation. We had started exercise 1.4. Student, in exercise 1.4, we had completed question number 1 in last video. Now we will see question number 2. See, find dy by dx. If we had given x is equal to cosec square theta and y is equal to sin square cot cube theta. Okay. Then at theta is equal to pi by 6, we have to find the value. So given statements are, see here x is function of theta and y is also function of theta. Okay, so we first find dx by d theta and then we find dy by d theta and lastly we find dy by dx. Okay, so you know the formula for derivative, we use the formula for derivative here. Okay, you recite all the fundamental formulas of derivative. First write x is equal to, see what is given, x is equal to cosec square theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, we get dx by d theta is equal to d by d theta of cosec square theta. So dx by d theta is, what is the derivative of cosec square theta? See, derivative of cosec square theta is 2 cosec theta into again derivative of cosec theta, that is 2 cosec theta as it is into derivative of cosec theta is, this is the fundamental formula. I had told you, if you remember the fundamental formula, then you can solve easily all types of derivative questions. If you not recited, you first recite the formula and then go to examples. So here derivative of cos x is minus cos x into cot x. So final we get dx by d theta is equal to 2 cosec theta into minus cosec theta into cot theta. Now let take y. What is the y given? Y is given cot cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, we get dy by d theta is equal to d by d theta of cot theta cube. What is the derivative of x cube? 3 into x square. So derivative of cot cube is 3 cot square theta into again derivative of cot theta. So 3 cot square theta as it is, derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. So we had calculated dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Now we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. You substitute the values. What is the value of dy by d theta? You put, and then dx by d theta you put the value. So we get, see here 1 cosec theta get cancelled, 1 cot theta get cancelled. So what remains? 3 upon 2 cot theta. So we get dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 cot theta. This is the answer you get. Okay. But here we have to find dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6. So we find 3 upon 2 into cot pi by 6. What is the value of cot pi by 6? Cot pi by 6 means cot 30 degree. 3 by 2 root 3. So last answer is dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6 is 3 upon 2. Okay. 3 upon 2 root 2. Now see the second example. X is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 3. Here you have to find dy by dx. Okay, so first you write x is equal to cot cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, we get dx by d theta is equal to a constant term as it is into d by d theta of cot theta cube. So a as it is, derivative of cos theta square cube is 3 cos square theta into again derivative of cos theta. So this 3a cos square theta as it is, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. You know, this is the fundamental derivatives formulae. So we get dx by d theta is equal to 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta. Now you find y. Y is given. What is the y is given? See, y is given. Y is equal to a sin cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, you get dy by d theta is equal to a constant term as it is into d by d theta of sin cube theta. So a as it is, 3 as it is sin square theta into again derivative of sin theta. So 3a sin square theta as it is, derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Okay. So we have to find dy by dx. So write the formula dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Put the value of dy by d theta and put the value of dx by d theta. See here, 3a get cancelled, then 1 cos is get cancelled, 1 sin is cancelled. So what remains? Minus sign is there and sin theta upon cos theta. And sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan theta. So lastly we get dy by dx is equal to minus tan theta. Okay. So we have to find dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. So minus tan pi by 3. What is the tan pi by 3? Root 3. So we get dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. We get the value of dy by d theta as root 3. Okay. See question number 3. X is equal to t square plus t plus 1 and y is equal to sin pi t upon 2 plus cos pi t upon 2 at t is equal to 1. First you take x is equal to t square plus t plus 1. Differentiate with respect to t. Here where which parameter is present? T is present. So you differentiate with respect to t. We get dx by dt is equal to d by dt of t square plus t plus 1. What is the derivative of t square? 2t, and derivative of t is 1. So we get last answer dx by dt. We get dx by dt is equal to 2t plus 1. Okay. See what we get, dx by dt is equal to 2t plus 1. Now take y is equal to sin pi t upon 2 plus cos pi t upon 2. Differentiate with respect to t, we get dy by dt is equal to d by dt of sin pi t plus d by dt of cos pi t upon 2. What is the derivative of sin? Derivative of sin is cos, and again derivative of pi t upon 2, and derivative of cos t is minus sin pi t upon 2 into again derivative of pi t upon 2. So we get what is the derivative of pi t upon 2? Pi by 2, and here also pi by 2. So we get dy by dx is equal to, we get dy by dt is equal to cos pi t upon 2 into pi by 2 minus sin pi t upon 2 into pi by 2. Next you find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Substitute both the values. Okay. Now we have to find dy by dt at t is equal to 1. So whenever t is there, you put the value 1. Pi by 2 cos pi tt means 1, means pi by 2, minus pi by 2 as it is, sin pi into 1 upon 2 means sin pi by 2 upon 2 into 1 plus 1. What is the value of cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is 0, and sin pi by 2 is 1. Okay, so we get pi by 2 into 0 minus pi by 2 into 1 upon 3. So we get final answer as dy by dx at t is equal to 1 is minus pi by 6. Okay, see the fourth one. X is equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t and y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t at t is equal to pi by 4. First write x we write differentiate with respect to t, we get dx by dt is equal to, here 2 is the constant term, into derivative of cos t, and here derivative of cos 2t. 2 as it is, derivative of cos t is minus sin t and derivative of cot 2t is minus sin 2t into again derivative of, here again derivative of 2t. What is the derivative of 2t is t. Okay, next write y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t. Differentiate with respect to t, you get dy by dt is equal to 2 into 2 is the constant term into derivative of sin t minus derivative of sin 2t here. So you get here also 2 as it is, derivative of sin t is cos t and derivative of sin t is cot 2t into derivative of again 2t. 2 cos t as it is minus derivative of 2t is 2 cos 2t. Now you find dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. Then see 2 cot t. We have to find at theta is equal to pi by 4. So put at t is equal to pi by 4 here. Okay. So we get 2 as it is, cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2 minus 2 as it is, cos pi by 4 is 0 minus 2 cos sin pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, and here sin pi by 2 is there. Okay, sin pi by 2 is 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, see here, this means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 means cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, and here sin pi by 2 is 1. Okay, so we get the last answer as C, root 2 as it is minus 0. At the denominator take 2 minus 2 common, so what remains 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Numerator as it is, take LCM at the denominator here, minus 2 into bracket 1 plus root 2 upon root 2. Next step is 2 upon root 2 as it is, 1 upon 1 plus root 2 into, see here root 2 get cancelled. Okay, and 2 is also get cancelled, so what remains 1 upon 1 plus root 2 only remains. Okay, in this step, see here next step is, here 2 get cancelled, root 2 gets cancelled, so what remains 1 upon 1 plus root 2 remains. So here you rationalize denominator, you multiply by 1 minus root 2. So at the numerator what remains 1 minus root 2, and at the denominator a plus b, a minus b means 1 square minus root 2 square. 1 root 2 square is 2. So minus 1 is there, minus minus plus. So final answer is 1 minus root 2. Similarly, see the fifth example. You can solve yourself fifth example you can solve yourself. Now see question number 3. If x is equal to a root sec theta minus tan theta and y is equal to a root sec theta plus tan theta, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus x y upon x. So first write given things. Given we had given x is equal to a sec root sec theta minus tan theta. So you write from this a upon x upon a is equal to root sec theta minus tan theta. Similarly from y is given a root sec theta plus tan theta. From this you write y upon a is equal to root sec theta plus tan theta. Now you multiply equation 1 and 2. What happens? See, xy upon a square is equal to, observe this, here minus sign is there, a minus b into a plus b. This step you see, this is in the form root a minus b into root a plus b. So you write here, we use this formula a square minus b square. So we get xy upon a square is equal to root sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. So what is the sec square theta? We can write, see, for sec square theta you take sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We know the formula, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and this minus tan square theta as it is. Tan square theta get cancelled, root 1 means we get value of xy upon a square as 1. From this you write xy is equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Here you use the product rule. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. And here derivative of a square. A square is constant term, so derivative of a square is 0. Here first x as it is dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x. X dy by dx as it is plus y. Now take y on the RHS, we get x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. So we get dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. This is the final answer. Okay. Second example. X is equal to e raised to sin t, sin 3t, and y is equal to e raised to cos 3t. Show that dy by dx is equal to minus y log x upon x log 4. Here given that x is equal to sin 3t. See, here exponential function is there, and you learn in last two videos implicit function, exponential function, logarithmic function. E raised to something असेल तर आपण काय घेतोय, दोन्हीकडे log घेतोय. So take log on both sides. Log x is equal to, here log e raised to sin t means sin t into log e. Okay. Log e value is 1. See, log x is equal to sin 3t into log u. Here log e raised to x is nothing but x into log e. So here you write as log x is equal to sin 3t into log e, and value of log e is 1. So log x is equal to sin 3t. Okay. Differentiate with respect to t, we get, what is the derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is equal to derivative of sin 3t. Derivative of log x is with respect to t. बघा, derivative of log x with respect to x असेल तर 1 upon x येणार आहे. ओके. डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ लॉग एक्स असेल तर काय येणार आहे, 1 upon x येणार आहे. बट वी हॅव हिअर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी आहे इथं. ओके. सो 1 upon x into again dx by dt, and derivative of sin 3t is cos 3t into derivative of 3t. So 1 upon x into dx by dt is equal to 3t cos 3t. Okay. So here we find dx by dt is equal to x into 3 cos 3t. Now take y. Y is equal to e raised to cos 3t. Taking log on both sides, you get log y is equal to log e raised to cos 3t. Here you use the formula log a raised to b is equal to b into log e. Log e value is 1. Okay. So we get log y is equal to cos 3t. Differentiate with respect to t, we get what is the derivative of log y? 1 upon y into dy by dt, and derivative of cos 3t. Derivative of cos is minus sin 3t into again derivative of 3t is 3. So we get 1 upon y into dy by dt is equal to 3 sin 3t. Okay. Here इथं y नको होता बघा, हा y नको. dy by dt is equal to minus 3y sin 3t. Now you find dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Put the values. So what happens? See here, 3 get cancelled. Minus y sin 3t upon x cos 3t. And from equation 1 and 2 you can write sin 3t log x and cos 3t log y. So we get the final answer as dy by dx is equal to minus y log x upon x log y. See the next, if x is equal to t plus 1 upon t minus 1 and y is equal to t minus 1 upon t plus 1, then show that y square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. See, it is also easy. You write first x taking derivative. Here you use the derivative of quotient, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So what happens? T minus 1 as it is, derivative of t is 1. Okay. So here 1 is there and here derivative of t is 1. So what remains? T minus 1 minus t plus 1 upon t minus 1 bracket square. ब्रॅकेट काढून घ्या. मग काय होईल बघा, टी कॅन्सल होईल. -1 -1 -2 अपॉन टी -1 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर येईल. पुन्हा वाय लिहून घ्या. y is equal to t minus 1 upon t plus 1. Differentiate with respect to t, dy by dx is equal to d by dt of t minus 1 upon t plus 1. Here also you use the rule d by dx of numerator upon denominator, quotient rule. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. First, as it is, this is t plus 1. As it is, derivative of t is 1 minus t minus 1 as it is, derivative of t is 1. Here also t get cancelled. So what remains? 2 upon t plus 1 bracket square. Now write dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt. Here dt is there upon dx by dt. Put the values. 2 get cancelled. So what remains? Minus t minus 1 bracket square upon t plus 1 bracket square. And this is nothing but y. So we get dy by dx is equal to minus y square. Take y on the LHS, we get y square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, for the example, you can solve yourself. First you write x, then differentiate, find dx by dt. Then you find y, dy by dt. Then you find dy by dx, putting value, you get the final answer. Okay. Next, fifth one, x is equal to 2 cos raised to 4 into t plus 3 and y is equal to 3 sin raised to 4 t plus 3. Then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to minus root 3y upon 2x. First you write x, differentiate with respect to t, dx by dt is equal to 2 as it is, cos raised to 4, derivative of cos raised to 4 t plus 3. So what is the derivative of cos raised to 4? 4 into cos cube 3 plus t plus 3 into derivative of cos 3 t plus 3. So dx by dt is equal to 2 into 4 cos cube t plus 3 as it is. Derivative of cos is minus sine 3 t plus 3. Now you write y. Differentiate with respect to t. 3 constant term as it is into derivative of sine raised to 4 t plus 3. 3 as it is, sine raised to 4 is 4 sine cube. And again derivative of sine 3 t plus 3. What is the derivative of sine cos t plus 3? Now you write dy by dx is equal to dx by dt upon dy by dt upon dx by dt. Substitute the values. You substitute the values. So what happens? 4 get cancelled. Minus 3 upon minus 2 as it is. And also see 1 cos is cancelled here. And 1 sine is cancelled. So sine square t plus 2 t plus 3 upon cos square t plus 3 remains. What is the value of x is given? X is given 2 cos raised to 4 t plus 3. So you find x upon 2 cos raised to 4 t plus 2 t plus 3. Taking square root on both sides, you get root x upon 2 is equal to cos square t plus 3. Why? Because here we want cos square t plus 3. So you put here cos square t plus 3 as root 2 upon root x upon 2. Similarly, from y you find y upon root 3. So we get dy by dx is equal to minus 3 upon 2 as it is. You put here value of, and here also you put the value. Next step is root y upon 3 into 2 upon x. Take 3 and in the root 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. So we get final answer. Dy by dx is equal to root 3y upon 2x. Similarly, 6-1 you can solve yourself. It is easy. You solve yourself. Next, 7th example. 7th example also you can solve yourself. 8th example is also same. There is some difference. Students, we will see some examples in question number 4. Not all. First is differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. So you suppose x sin x as u and y tan x as v. So you find u is function of x and v is function of x. So you find first we have to find du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. So you first take u is equal to x sin x, differentiate with respect to x. Here you use the product rule, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. x ला आपण फर्स्ट म्हणा आणि sin x ला काय म्हणा सेकंड. ओके. So write x as it is into derivative of sin x is cos x. Sin x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So we get du by dx is equal to x cos x plus sin x. Now you find v is equal to tan x. Differentiate with respect to x, dv by dx is equal to d by dx of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. So lastly you find du by dv is equal to du by dv is equal to x cos x. Here what is du by dv? Du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. So you put du by dx value here and dv by dx. So we get final answer du by dv is equal to x cos x plus sin x upon sec square x. Similarly, you find second, differentiate sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. You suppose this as u and this as v. Okay. So you find first du by dx. Okay. So here you put x is equal to tan theta. From this you observe Here if we put x is equal to tan theta, then what happens? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sine of 2 theta. So you put x is equal to tan theta, x is equal to tan theta, therefore you get u is equal to sine inverse 2 as it is, x means tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and which is this formula is nothing but sine of 2 theta. Okay, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sine of 2 theta. Sine inverse get cancelled, so we get u is equal to 2 theta. Put the value of theta. Theta is tan inverse, from this you write theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now you differentiate with respect to x, you get du by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Similarly you write v, here also you put x is equal to tan theta, we get v is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but cos of 2 theta. Cos inverse get cancelled, so we get v is equal to 2 theta. Put the value of theta. Theta is, from this you put the value of theta. Theta is tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dv by dx is equal to 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now you find du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Put the value, we get final answer 1. Similarly you can find the third example is same. Here also you put the substitution x is equal to sin theta, and then you can solve yourself. Fourth one is same as second one. Here you put x is equal to tan theta, so it is in the form, so it becomes in the form 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square, which is nothing but cos 2 theta. And similarly you can find, it is easy. Now I take the fifth example. Differentiate u is equal to 3 raised to x with respect to v is equal to log 3 to the base x. Here you take u is equal to 3 raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x, you get du by dx is equal to 3 raised to x log 3. Okay, and you put v, we get v means log 3 upon log x. Now differentiate with respect to x, you get log 3 as it is constant term into derivative of 1 upon log x, that is derivative of log x raised to minus 1. So minus 1 into log x raised to minus 2 into derivative of again log x. So we get log 3 upon x into log x bracket square. Du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. So we get, put the values, lastly we get 3 raised to x into x and log x square, log 3 get cancelled, so we get 3 raised to x into x log x square. Okay, sixth example is, you can solve yourself, and seventh example, it is also simple, you can solve yourself. See, and last one, eighth example. Here you use the substitution x is equal to tan theta, and then you solve, it is also simple, you can solve yourself. Okay, so students, in this video we had completed exercise 1.4. it is easy, we have to make substitution properly, and you know the fundamental formula of derivative, you can solve easily. Okay, so your today's homework is solve exercise 1.4 completely in your notebook. बघा, अर्थव्यवस्था समजून घेतलं तर सोपं आहे, तुम्ही व्यवस्थित हे करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे, एक्झाम्पल सोडण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. ओके, थँक्यू, वी विल स्टॉप हिअर.